Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we will rationalize the denominator of this given expression. So the first step is to analyze this expression. Now this expression is in the form of a fraction and the numerator is 2 square root of 2 and the denominator is square root of 16 minus square root of 12. So the first step is to identify if we can simplify this expression. Now in the numerator, the number under the square root is 2, and since it's a prime number, we cannot simplify. In the denominator, the first radical term is square root of 16, and we know that 16 is a perfect square, and square root of 16 is equal to 4. So in our first step, so we can replace square root of 16 with 4, and the numerator stays the same. Now we can see if we can rationalize square root of 12. So we have to break down 12 into its prime factors, which are 2 times 2 times 3. Now the two 2's come out as a single 2 in front of the square root. So we get 2 times square root of 3. So that is the next term in the denominator. We can simplify this expression further by common factoring 2 from the denominator. So our next step is 2 times square root of 2. So the numerator stays the same over, and we factor out a 2 in the denominator and we get 2 minus square root of 3. Now we can cancel out the 2's. So we are left with square root of 2 over 2 minus square root of 3. We can use the conjugate method to rationalize the denominator. So we have to get rid of the radical or the square root in the denominator, and we do that by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator, which means same terms but with opposite sign. So we multiply the numerator by 2 plus square root 3 and we multiply the denominator by 2 plus square root 3. Now we can rewrite the expression. In the numerator, we do square root of 2 times 2 plus square root of 3. And in the denominator, we have 2 minus square root 3 in parentheses. And the second one, 2 plus square root of 3. Now we can simplify it by distributing the terms in the numerator and denominator. So in the numerator, we multiply square root of 2 times 2 and we do square root of 2 times square root of 3. So in the numerator, we get 2 square root 2 plus square root of 6 over. Now in the denominator, we'll have to use the FOIL method. So we'll distribute the terms. So first we'll do 2 times 2, which is 4, and then 2 times plus square root 3, which is plus 2 square root 3, and then we do negative square root 3 times 2, which is minus 2 square root 3. And lastly, we'll do negative square root 3 times positive square root 3, which is minus square root of 9. Now we can cancel out the terms in the denominator. Plus 2 square root 3 and minus 2 square root 3 are like terms, and since they have opposite signs, they will cancel each other. So we are left with 2 square root 2. So the numerator stays the same over 4. And since 9 is a perfect square, it can be reduced to just 3 because square root of 9 is equal to 3. And now we can subtract the terms in the denominator, which is equal to 1. Now division by 1 doesn't change anything. So our final answer will be 2 square root 2 plus square root of 6. So this should be the final answer as the rationalized form of this expression. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.